What if roads became optional and the sky became your new highway? In 2026, flying vehicles are no longer science fiction. They're real, tested, and closer than ever. From jet-powered bikes and personal flying machines to luxury air taxis and futuristic sky cars, these 15 unbelievable creations are pushing the limits of technology and imagination. Built for speed, freedom, and the future, each one brings us closer to a world where traffic disappears and flight becomes personal. Stay tuned, because once you see these, the future will never look the same. LEO Flight Jet Bike. The LEO Flight Jet Bike feels like something pulled straight out of a sci-fi movie and dropped into the real world. This compact single-rider flying machine replaces wheels with electric jet propulsion, allowing it to hover and cruise quietly at heights of up to 15 feet, while reaching speeds of around 60 miles per hour. Powered by advanced solid-state batteries, the jet bike delivers roughly 10 to 15 minutes of flight time on a single charge and can be conveniently recharged at home. One of its most exciting features is accessibility. Under ultralight regulations, no traditional pilot's license is required. Designed with a sleek, futuristic look and intuitive controls, it aims to make personal flight feel surprisingly approachable. Priced at about $99,900, it's definitely a premium investment, but it represents a huge step toward making everyday personal air mobility a real possibility. Alto Volo Sigma. The Alto Volo Sigma is aviation's answer to a luxury supercar, sleek, futuristic, and relentlessly performance-driven. This 3-seat hybrid electric VTOL aircraft is designed to cruise at speeds of up to 220 miles per hour, with an impressive hybrid range of around 510 miles and an electric-only range of up to 260 miles. Despite its powerful capabilities, the Sigma remains compact enough to operate from rooftops, helipads, or even private driveways, offering incredible flexibility for urban and regional travel. Safety is a major focus, with advanced thrust vector stability, redundant flight systems, and even a built-in ballistic parachute for added peace of mind. With prices starting roughly between $800,000 and £1.2 million depending on configuration, it's clearly aimed at the high-end market. More than just a flying vehicle, the Alto Volo Sigma represents a bold leap toward luxury, performance, and the future of personal air mobility. EHang V T35. The EHang V T35 represents a bold and practical step toward real-world flying taxis, becoming part of everyday life. This sleek 2-seat electric VTOL aircraft blends advanced drone technology with the capabilities of a small airplane. 8 lift propellers handle smooth vertical takeoff and landing, while fixed wings and a rear pusher propeller allow efficient forward flight once airborne. With a full load range of around 200 kilometers and cruising speeds reaching up to 216 kilometers per hour, the VT35 is well suited for urban commuting as well as short cross-sea or inner-city trips. Its compact design makes it ideal for dense environments where traditional runways aren't practical. Priced at roughly 6.5 million RMB, it's still a premium machine, but notably more attainable than many private aircraft. Overall, the EHang VT35 offers an exciting glimpse into a future where efficient, electric personal air mobility is closer than ever. Copter Pack Generation 3. The Copter Pack Generation 3 feels like a wild dream-level concept straight out of science fiction. A backpack-mounted helicopter that turns a single person into a one-man flying machine. Built around a lightweight yet strong carbon fiber honeycomb frame, it features a massive 3.1-meter rotor span designed to generate serious lift. The system is said to carry up to 120 kilograms, climb to altitudes of around 3,048 meters, and reach speeds close to 200 kilometers per hour, which is impressive for something worn on your back. However, details about real-world flight time, safety systems, and pricing remain limited, keeping it firmly in the experimental prototype category for now. Even so, the sheer idea of strapping on a rotor backpack and lifting off the ground feels like pure sci-fi brought to life, making the Copter Pack Gen 3 one of the most imagination-fueling flying concepts of the future. Klisarov Acro. The Klisarov Acro is a sleek, ultralight flying vehicle designed purely for fun, agility, and adventure. What truly sets it apart is its unique cycloidal rotor system, which delivers full 360-degree thrust vectoring, allowing incredibly smooth, precise control, even during challenging maneuvers like landing on a yacht deck. Despite its advanced capabilities, the Acro remains compact, measuring roughly 3.85 meters long, 4 meters wide, and just 1.6 meters high. It features an all-electric airframe paired with dual joystick controls, twin cockpit displays, and a clear polycarbonate canopy that gives it a striking sci-fi look. With a cruising speed of around 102 kilometers per hour and a maximum takeoff weight close to 280 kilograms, the Acro is still very much a bold concept vehicle. Even so, it promises an elegant vision of lightweight personal flight built around freedom, precision, and pure enjoyment. Volonaut Airbike. The Volonaut Airbike is a jet-powered flying superbike that feels like science fiction brought to life. Built using carbon fiber and advanced 3D printed components, it weighs only around 30 kilograms, making it nearly 7 times lighter than a typical motorcycle. The Airbike uses redundant jet turbines paired with an onboard flight computer, allowing for surprisingly stable hovering and intuitive control. It supports a maximum pilot weight of about 95 kilograms, delivers roughly 10 minutes of flight time, and reaches top speeds of around 102 kilometers per hour, with prototype testing hinting at speeds closer to 200 kilometers per hour. With a price tag near $88,000, it's clearly not designed for daily commuting. Instead, the Volonaut Airbike targets thrill seekers, offering an adrenaline-filled fusion of motorcycle culture and raw personal flight that pushes the limits of what's possible. Cyclotech Blackbird. The Cyclotech Blackbird is a bold and highly experimental step toward the idea of a true flying car. This compact electric VTOL aircraft features an innovative propulsion system built around 6 cyclo-rotor units, each capable of full 360-degree thrust vectoring. This allows the Blackbird to do things conventional aircraft can't: hover sideways, brake in midair, and land with extreme precision even in tight or inclined spaces. Measuring about 4.9 meters long, 2.3 meters wide, and 2 meters high, it remains surprisingly compact despite its advanced capabilities. With a maximum takeoff weight of roughly 340 kilograms and a top speed of around 120 kilometers per hour, it's designed to be nimble and highly controllable. Still in the demonstrator phase with no production price announced, the Blackbird isn't practical yet, but it offers a fascinating glimpse into the future of precise, urban-focused air mobility. Leo Coupe. The Leo Coupe feels like the flying car we've all been dreaming about. A sleek, electric sky hypercar built to rise above traffic and turn everyday travel into something extraordinary. Powered by clustered electric jet systems, it combines futuristic performance with eye-catching design details like gull-wing doors and a compact footprint measuring roughly 10 by 20 feet. Thanks to that size, it can fit inside a standard garage, yet it's capable of cruising at speeds between 200 and 250 miles per hour. The Leo Coupe seats 3 passengers and offers an estimated range of around 250 miles, making it more than just a short-hop flyer. Safety is a major focus, with features such as a ballistic parachute, redundant lift jets, and advanced auto-stabilization systems. Priced at approximately $499,000, the Leo Coupe isn't just a concept, it's a bold invitation to treat the sky as your next open road. Zapata Air Scooter. The Zapata Air Scooter is a single-seat, egg-shaped VTOL that turns the dream of personal flight into reality. Powered by a hybrid electric system and 6 propellers, it can stay airborne for up to 2 hours, reach top speeds of around 100 kilometers per hour, and lift payloads of roughly 120 kilograms, all while remaining ultra-light at just 115 kilograms. Thanks to its design, no pilot's license is required under US ultralight rules. Inside, a panoramic glass cockpit paired with dual joystick controls gives a futuristic video game-like experience. Priced between $128,000 and $250,000, the Air Scooter isn't aimed at commuting but at delivering sheer fun, freedom, and the magical thrill of piloting your very own personal flying bubble. Doroni H1X. The Doroni H1X feels like a flying car lifted straight from a sci-fi movie, compact enough for a driveway, but built to conquer the skies. This two-seat electric VTOL combines vertical takeoff with intuitive joystick controls and ducted fans, delivering smooth, stable, and accessible flight. On a full charge, it can cruise up to roughly 100 miles, reach speeds around 120 miles per hour, and stay airborne for 40 to 45 minutes, perfect for quick city hops or weekend escapes. Priced at about $350,000, the H1X isn't just a high-tech gadget. It's a bold redefinition of personal freedom, giving you wings and turning the dream of everyday flight into a tangible, exhilarating reality. Phantom 3500. The Phantom 3500 by Auto Aerospace presents a bold, futuristic vision for private aviation. Sleek and efficient, this super mid-sized jet replaces conventional windows with panoramic supernatural vision screens, creating an immersive, high-tech cabin while enhancing aerodynamics. Its carbon fiber, low-drag fuselage reduces fuel consumption by roughly 60% compared to similar jets, making it remarkably efficient for its class. The Phantom 3500 offers a range of 3,500 nautical miles, a cruising altitude of 51,000 feet, and seating for up to 9 passengers, seamlessly blending luxury, performance, and sustainability. Priced around $19.5 million, it isn't just a private jet, it's a bold statement about the future of air travel, where innovation, comfort, and efficiency soar together. T-Sab Tech E20. The T-Sab Tech E20 offers a striking glimpse into the future of urban mobility. A sleek, electric air taxi designed to quietly soar above traffic. Its 6-rotor system, featuring 4 tilt and 2 fixed rotors, carries a pilot plus 4 passengers with ease, cruising around 260 kilometers per hour and reaching top speeds of approximately 320 kilometers per hour. With a 200-kilometer range, it's ideal for regional trips or busy city commutes. The E20's carbon fiber frame, panoramic windows, and whisper-quiet electric motors create a refined, futuristic flying experience. Priced at roughly $960,000, it perfectly balances practicality with dreamlike travel, bringing the idea of personal flight closer to everyday reality. Pivotal Helix. The Pivotal Helix offers a playful glimpse into the future of personal flying machines. Compact, electric, and delightfully quirky, this single-seat EV features a tilt aircraft design, intuitive joystick controls, and a wraparound canopy giving an impressive 270-degree view. Its flight capabilities include a range of around 20 miles, a cruising speed of roughly 62 miles per hour, and up to 20 minutes of airborne time per charge. Prices start at about $109,000, reaching around $260,000 with upgrades. While it's not meant for long commutes, the Helix delivers pure, unfiltered joy for personal flight. A lightweight electric skybike designed for dreamers who would rather float above the world than drive through it. Govee Airjet. The Govee Airjet is a bold leap into the future of personal air travel. Sleek, electric, and designed for effortless sky commutes, over 90% of its structure is carbon fiber, keeping it light yet incredibly strong. Its hybrid wing and multi-rotor layout allows smooth vertical takeoff while enabling efficient forward flight. The Airjet can reach top speeds of around 250 kilometers per hour, with a current range of over 200 kilometers and potential future batteries extending that to 400 kilometers, all with a rapid 30-minute recharge. Inside, the 1+1 cabin layout paired with modern controls ensures a comfortable, futuristic ride. The Govee Airjet isn't just a vehicle, it's a thrilling preview of tomorrow's flying taxis, bringing city-to-city aerial travel closer to reality. Supernal SA2. The Supernal SA2 is the sky taxi we've all been waiting for. Elegant, futuristic, and built for everyday air travel. This 5-seat electric VTOL uses 8 tilting rotors to deliver smooth vertical lift and efficient horizontal cruising, keeping noise levels as low as 45 decibels. It can reach top speeds of around 260 kilometers per hour, with a range of up to 300 kilometers and flight times of about 90 minutes per charge, making it perfect for city or regional trips. Priced at roughly $3 million, the SA2 isn't for everyone, but it offers early adopters a sleek, efficient, and surprisingly tangible glimpse into the future of urban air mobility, where flying taxis could become a normal part of daily life.